What's up, y'all? Hey y'all, good afternoon. It's your girl Tracee. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are doing something different. This is my first vlog ever on my YouTube channel. This vlog is going to be a road trip. This road trip is 13 hours and I'm here with my hubby.
Yo, what's up? It's Tavon. I'm gonna do most of the driving. If I get a little bit tired, then Tracy gonna take over for me.
Yep, but I'm not gonna do too much talking because we gotta be somewhere. So let's get to driving. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Make sure y'all like this video. And make sure y'all comment down below if y'all want to see other vlogs from us. So the first stop we about to make is at Wawa because we need some snacks. I need something to drink. If you know me, you know I love me some Pepsi. So I definitely gotta get that. I got me some soup, and y'all know they ain't had no Pepsi, so I had to give me a Coke. This would do. And I got me some snacks. I'm gonna drop my soup because babe wanna be driving crazy.
I heard this little hoagie guys. I thought that was
driving crazy. You wanna be driving crazy, and I'm gonna drop all my stuff. Got me some Doritos. I'm just tearing this joint up on the road, y'all.
She got some M&M's, and I got this big thing of M&M's in the back.
Well, I didn't know that, but I do got me some combos. I got all this stuff. I got me some gummies. I got all this stuff in my bag. So y'all know this road trip about to be lit. I might be tearing up some snacks. So y'all, we got pulled over and we had to make a pit stop because I had to go pee, but he mad. He mad as shit. So y'all, right now we're in Maryland. We have about 11 hours, maybe 10 hours and 45 minutes, you know, in between 10 and 11 hours. The drive is okay, you know, besides the pulling over part that irritated us a little bit. But we about to get back on the road. We just stopped to go to the bathroom. I'ma just eat my soup while we're here. You know, I got my face mask on, trying to stay safe. But yeah, we about to get back on the road. I'm just waiting for Tavon to come back outside. So let's get on the road. Y'all, I'm so tired right now. I don't know if it's the air or it's just the ride in general, because I'm in the passenger seat and I'm just like falling asleep. But we stopped at the gas station. Finally, we might get something to eat from here. I'm still hungry. He pumping the gas. Yeah. Whew. We just hit Virginia. I think we're gonna stop in North Carolina and stop at a hotel from there. Alright, let's jump back on the road. This ride is like so long, but it's good and I'm enjoying it. I'm having a good time. The sun is about to go down, so I don't know exactly how my camera is gonna reflect in like nighttime, but I'm still gonna record for y'all. So alright, when he stopped pumping the gas, we on the road again, y'all. Alright, y'all, I'm back. Babe wanted to say something for the vlog. How to drive? Long. Since he doing all the driving, he don't want me to drive, y'all. I don't know why, but
when you taking long trips, don't drink too much.
Yeah, we've been drinking soda. And he been drinking water. Well, I've been drinking soda. He been drinking water, and we gotta pee like crazy. So we have been making like a couple of stops, but listen, if you gotta go, you gotta go. Then I kind of wish we was in New Jersey, because if we was in Jersey, we wouldn't have to pump our own gas. We wouldn't even have to get out the car. So, but it's all good. Babe, where are we going from here?
I'll find a bathroom.
Alright, yeah, we're gonna find a bathroom, y'all. Alright, y'all. So, y'all, we stopping. This what he do. He wiping his window.
Maybe back of the car, baby.
Don't we got people for that? Y'all, we stopped at some, get something to eat, and then we better go settle in the hotel. It's getting dark. What's this name?
Bojangles.
I can't pronounce it right, but yeah, Bojangles.
Yeah, we can pull over too and look for a hotel. It's fine. You know,
Yeah. Well, it's one over there.
You like?
No, I ain't look at that one. It's gonna take me a minute to find a hotel because I ain't staying nowhere dirty. But let's find this hotel.
Keep driving.
Yeah, we can pull over and find one. Yo, we got to the hotel. I'm tired and I'm ready to go to sleep. So I will see you guys tomorrow morning. I'm going natural tomorrow. I'm not doing no makeup. Babe, come say goodnight to them. Come say goodnight to my fam.
Good night.
He still got his face mask on. I'm trying to go to sleep. We gotta get up early in the morning and get on the road again. We drove, how many hours?
8.
We drove about like 8 hours, y'all. And we got like, what, 5 hours left, 4.5.
7, 8, yeah, we got 5 hours left.
Yeah. Good night, y'all. Good morning, y'all. We are leaving the hotel right now. We're about to get back on the road. I had a good night's sleep. I just wanted to go natural today. I didn't really feel like doing my makeup. It's hot. We're in North Carolina, and I didn't feel like sweating on my makeup off. So we're about to jump back on the road. We're going to get some breakfast. Well, I really don't technically eat breakfast, so I might just grab something to eat and just go. But he's probably gonna go get some breakfast, and I'm just going to get something to eat. He just went to go get our receipt, and yeah, that's about it. So far this road trip has actually been a great experience. I'm loving this ride with my man. And yeah, let's just jump back on the road, y'all. He didn't get back in the car. When he get back in the car, I'm gonna see if he want to say anything, and then we're moving on. Y'all, babe just got back in the car.
Morning, y'all. Back on the road. Still driving.
We gotta go get something to eat.
Old Jangles again.
Yeah, because the boneless chicken last night was popping. You ready?
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Time to pull off. About to pull on down. Even though we got the air on, I just felt like a breezy day. Y'all, this line at Bojangles is crazy. They don't wrap all the way around. So, y'all, I actually forgot to record earlier. We stopped at another hotel. We're actually here in Georgia right now, so we reached our destination. The ride was great. Tomorrow I will be leaving. I will be flying back to Philadelphia, but my fiance Tavon will be staying. He can't say anything right now because he's asleep and he has to get up early in the morning. So I will be heading to the airport to go back home, and he will stay here. Other than that, the ride was great. I would love to do this again. Maybe next time we can do something longer, or maybe even something shorter. It don't matter. But overall, the ride was amazing. I love just taking a long road trip anywhere, whether it's with my man, whether it's with my friends, or whether it's with my family. But yeah, guys, so I will see you guys in the morning, and that will be my last video for this vlog. Good night, guys. Yeah, I just got to the airport. I'm walking down the airport now. I can't wait to get on my flight. I'm so tired. I think I'm gonna stop past the bathroom first. Yo, my flight leaves in about 2 hours. As y'all can see, I'm extra early. Like, ain't nobody here. But I'm gonna be waiting for a while. Can't wait to get home. So guys, I made it home safe. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I had a great time. I felt like it was a great adventure, and I will see you guys in my next vlog. Bye.